is she? This is so... I'm living. Hey guys, it's Teray and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be putting you guys on some real deal game. Are you ready? Okay. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing my clip-in extensions that literally match my hair texture the best that I've ever seen. Like, it literally looks like my hair. So I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing tour. First off, we're going to start off with the packaging. The packaging is really cute, really professional, and very well put together. So first, you're going to get this pink box that says Sassina hair, and of course on the side you're going to have the information as far as what you ordered, whether it be like the I think they have like a looser wave type of curl pattern. They have a I think they have a 4B, 4C, and they have like a type 3 hair texture as well. And then on the back it has its information, the company's information. It has the email and the website where you can purchase. I'll have this link down below as well, but I want to show you guys also. So when you open the box, you're going to see a wide tooth comb as well as a few extra clips just in case something happens to your extensions where you like lose a clip or one comes off or something. And then you're gonna have the extensions, and with the extensions, of course, you have the texture that you ordered. I ordered the 3C4A type of hair texture, and it automatically comes with 7 extensions, but they're all in different lengths. Some of them have 4 clips. It's about 3 of them that have 2 clips. Yeah, 3 of them that have 2 clips, 2 that have 3 clips, and 1 with 1 clip. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I install these clip-ins. Okay guys, so I'm back. The hard part is over. I went ahead and took out all of my braids. So now I'm just gonna go in and separate my hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off this elastic thing. Y'all, I'm so excited to clip these in. They're so freaking cute. So I'm gonna start in the back, and I'm just gonna use the extensions that have 2 clips on it. Okay, so once I get, oh hold on, let me get this hair looking a little crazy. So once I get to the part of my head that's a little bit wider than the nape, I'm going to go ahead and, why are you moving the phone? I can hear everything. So once I get to the part of my hair that's a little bit wider than the nape of my neck, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the extensions with the 3 clips on it. Because as you can see, I applied about 4 or 3 clips that had 4 or 3 extensions that had 3. Dang, don't be laughing at me. So as you can see, I applied about 3 extensions that had 2 clips. So the higher I go, the more extensions I'm going to apply with more clips. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. So I'm only going to add a few more extensions. I'm going to add two clip extensions, one right here and one right here, just so that the front blends in a little bit more. Okay, so this is pretty much what we're working with, but with me, I don't like my hair to be super defined. So I think what I'm gonna do is go in a little bit and just kind of brush it out, because I really don't like my curls to be too defined, because that just doesn't really look realistic as far as my hair texture for real. So I'm just gonna go in and kind of just, I guess you can call this teasing. I'm not really trying to tease it. I'm just trying to kind of comb it out some. Wow, this looks so real. Oh my gosh, I can't wait till my hair gets this length for real. Because this is everything. Okay guys, so this is the end result that we have. You guys, you need to get your hands on these Sassina hair extensions. Like, can we just take a moment to like really just feel this? Because I really feel like just like some type of natural hair queen. Like, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full twirl just so you can see like what it really looks like. You can't even like, you cannot tell where my hair ends and the weave begins. So that's how you know. Oh wait, we gonna tuck that little short one up. That's how you know it looks really real. Like, oh my gosh. So if you do have a similar hair texture to mine and you do want to try out these extensions, I'm going to have all the information linked down below. But they don't just have my hair texture, they have many different ones to choose from. If your hair is more kinky or coily than mine, they have one for 4B, 4C hair. They have another hair texture for curls that are also looser than mine. But oh, here's the best part, guys. They're also human hair. So these are not synthetic extensions. You can wash them, condition them, and just bring them back to life. Thank you guys for watching this video. Also, check the description down below if you want to get any discounts on these hair extensions. And guys, I swear you will not be disappointed. I think that pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys again so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, or if you want a video on hairstyles to do with these extensions, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye.